Assalamualaikum. How are you, Leela? Shabash. Thank you, beta. Please, God bless you. Very good. How are you? Very nice. Thank you. Shabash. Please. Yes, cute girl. Very nice. Oh, very good. Very good. Yes. 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 Thank you. How are you all? Fine? Very good, and you looking very nice all, and on a smile faces. The great things. God bless you. No problem. So, looking you all nice and then a smile faces. God bless you always. So keep continue your education and your lovely age, lovely faces and smiling faces. I love the kids really.